Welcome! Here's how to identify key dates through the special date column. App features. This app identifies key dates like holidays and labels them automatically. By triggering it, you can check if the entered date is a public holiday or weekend. For example, you can trigger the status column to find out if the entered date is a public holiday or weekend. Alright, let's get started with the setup instructions. First, go to the date column. It's the only column where you can install this app. Next, click the three dots next to the date column. From the drop-down menu, select Column Extension. After that, click on Special Dates. In the settings box that appears, set up the trigger and columns. Then, you need to select the status column to see the holiday results, for example, status. Finally, choose a method to activate the trigger. You can select from Item Created, Item Moved, Column Changed, or Status Changed. Now, let's go through an example setup. First, choose Column Changed as the trigger method. Then, select the date column change to activate the trigger. After that, click Save. Once you've done that, don't forget to refresh the page. Now, whenever you enter a value in the date column, the trigger will activate, identify the special date, and label it automatically. Get it now on Monday App Marketplace.